Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about the construction of full subtractor using half subtractor. So first let's know what is full subtractor and half subtractor. In half subtractor, we will be having two inputs and two outputs. So let us call it as A and B. That is, my inputs are A and B. My outputs will be D and B. What is D? D is the difference, B is borrow. Next, in full subtractor also same outputs, that is we will be having same number of outputs, that is D difference and B borrow, but the number of inputs will be more, that is one extra. Three inputs will be there in the full subtractor. This is full subtractor, this is half subtractor. Now let's know the formula of subtractors, difference and borrow. The formula of difference is A XOR B. So we have discussed it separately in the separate video of half subtractor. You can watch them. Next, what is the formula for borrow? A bar B. Next, for the difference of the full subtractor, A XOR B XOR C. Next, borrow A bar B plus C into A XOR B bar, that is A XNOR gate. We are using the XNOR gate right here. Now using these formulas and half subtractor, I will be constructing the full subtractor so that the difference will be A XOR B XOR C and borrow will be A bar B plus C into A XNOR B. Now to construct the full subtractor, we will be using the two half subtractor. So I will consider this as the first half subtractor and this one as the second half subtractor. Now let us give the input to the first half subtractor, that is A and B. What will be its output? First, borrow will be A bar B and the sum will be A XOR B. So if you see the full subtractor formula, up to this we have constructed A XOR B and A bar B. This much we have constructed. Now to construct XOR C for the difference, that is which will come through the second half subtractor, we will be giving the C input. But we cannot give to this one because half subtractor will be having only two inputs. So I will give the input to this one. C is my input. I am giving to the second subtractor. Now what are my inputs? A XOR B and C. So what the difference will do? If A and B are my inputs, it will add an XOR gate in between them. So what is my first input? A XOR B. A XOR B. Now what it will do? Add the XOR gate between the second input. So my second input is C. Now it will add the XOR gate between them. Now we got the A XOR B XOR C. A XOR B XOR C. Now let's design for the borrow. So in borrow we have already designed A bar B. Now we must design C into A XNOR B. So how C into A XNOR B means, one input is here C and another input is A XOR B. What the borrow will do of the half subtractor? The borrow will make the, if A and B are the inputs, the borrow will make it as A bar into B. So first, what is the A? If we consider these two as the input, what is the value of A? A XOR B. A XOR B. Next, what is the B value? B is C. So what it will do? A bar. That is, it will put A bar to this one. So we got A bar B into C. A bar B into C. A bar B into C we got. Now we must add them. That is, we will, using the OR gate, we will add A bar B plus C into A XNOR B. So I will take A XNOR B from here and A bar B from here. So I will be adding them using an OR gate. Now I will get A bar B plus C into A X NOR B. So I got the borrow output. So hope you understood the concept of full subtractor construction using half subtractor. If you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.